embrace the beauty of a new day. I radiate positivity and light. My inner strength shines brightly. I am worthy of love and happiness. I attract joy and abundance into my life. My smile brightens the world around me. I am in tune with my inner peace. I nurture my body, mind, and spirit. I am grateful for the opportunities this day brings. I am surrounded by love and support. I choose happiness every day. I am filled with energy and enthusiasm. I am surrounded by beauty and inspiration. I am a magnet for good fortune and opportunities. I radiate confidence and grace. I fill my mind with positive thoughts. I am enough just as I am. I attract success and prosperity. I am worthy of all the love and happiness in the world. I create my own sunshine. I am a beacon of love and light. Today I choose to shine my brightest.